Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add infinite transition in CapCut for PC. Alright, so for instance, select your images you like to edit and just for the image duration in 1.0 second, and you can go to transition and select mirror. So you can find infinite 1 or infinite 2. So the infinite 1 for the first transition and just for the duration in 0.5 second, and for second transition select infinite 2, which is for the duration in 0.5, and infinite 1 again, infinite 2, sorry, and so on. And after done, you are just going to add the effect. Go to effect and select effect you like to add to your clip. For example, I'm just going to add the play pendulum. Play pendulum where Alright, so I'm going to select another effect and select the alright, check to just download and add the track just for the duration in the sampling, and then just body range and then speed, and here we go. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.